Ever wondered who really gets under the skin of those self-absorbed, attention-craving individuals we commonly refer to as narcissists? Brace yourselves, because today we're diving deep into the 5 types of people that drive narcissists absolutely crazy. Have you ever encountered someone who seems to suck all the air out of the room with their need for constant admiration and validation? Well, get ready to meet the personalities that can turn the tables on them. From subtle provocateurs to those who simply refuse to play their game, these 5 archetypes are like kryptonite to narcissists. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only identify these personality types, but also discover the strategies they use to outsmart and outmaneuver the narcissists in their midst. So, if you've ever wished to give those self-absorbed individuals a taste of their own medicine, you're in for a treat. Let's jump right in and unveil the personalities that make narcissists squirm with discomfort. Mavericks of independence. Narcissists thrive on control and admiration. They struggle to tolerate individuals who stand firm in their independence, those who dance to the rhythm of their own lives without being swayed by external opinions. These independent mavericks become mirrors reflecting the narcissist's own lack of genuine self-reliance, creating discomfort and avoidance. Empathy, the Achilles heel of narcissism. Empathy, a quality often absent in narcissists, poses a significant threat to their carefully constructed facades. Individuals with a genuine understanding of emotions and a compassionate nature become constant reminders of the narcissist's emotional deficiencies. The authenticity of empathy exposes the shallow emotional depth of narcissists, leading to discomfort and avoidance. Assertive leaders, a challenge to narcissistic superiority. Narcissists revel in their perceived authority and superiority. However, assertive leaders who command respect through competence and confidence present a formidable challenge. The inability to control or manipulate these individuals triggers frustration and disdain in narcissists, disrupting their perceived dominance. Genuine self-lovers, mirrors to narcissistic insecurity. While narcissists project an image of self-love, the reality is often quite different. Individuals who authentically love themselves, possessing a healthy sense of self-worth and self-esteem, stand in stark contrast to the narcissist's inflated ego. This contrast exposes the narcissist's shallow self-love, leading to an aversion to such individuals. Boundary setters, defying narcissistic manipulation. Narcissists excel in manipulating others, often breaching personal boundaries without hesitation. Enter the boundary setters, individuals who assertively establish and defend their personal space. The inability to infringe upon these boundaries challenges the narcissist's manipulative tactics, resulting in frustration and avoidance. The complexity of dealing with narcissists. Understanding the types of people that narcissists cannot tolerate sheds light on the intricacies of these challenging personalities. From independent mavericks to empathetic souls, assertive leaders, genuine self-lovers, and boundary setters, each archetype poses a unique threat to the fragile ego of a narcissist. Navigating relationships with narcissists requires a nuanced understanding of these dynamics to maintain one's own well-being. In the complex dance of human relationships, dealing with narcissists adds a layer of intricacy. The intolerance displayed by narcissists towards specific individuals reveals much about their vulnerabilities and insecurities. From valuing independence to embodying empathy and assertive leadership, each type of person disrupts the narcissistic equilibrium. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for maintaining a healthy balance when navigating relationships with narcissists.